Hello! Today, we will demonstrate how to use GODIAG for BMW FEM BDC programming test platform. With VVDI BMW Tool to identify BMW FEM keys. Let's unbox it first and see what's inside. This is an OBD2 to BD to 5 cable. This is GODIAG for BMW FEM BDC programming test platform. It has 4 lines, CON 8, CON 7, odometer connector, FEM BDC power connector. Next we start connecting. After all connections are completed, plug in the power. Open the BMW Tool software. Start key identification. Put the key into the identification area of GODIAG BMW FEM BDC programming test platform. Then press the button. After successful recognition, we can click Backup Coding.